Hello, fam. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good evening. Good evening. Whenever the time zone you are watching the video, I greet all of you, fam. How are you? How was your weekend going? And hope you are preparing for the next week, and hope you back test during this weekend. And how was your this week trade? Hope it went well. I am the for it. Before we quickly dive into the main subjects, my name is Aboeji 001. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And don't forget to turn off the notification button so that you'll be the first one to notify if you're the first one to watch the video if we drop the video. Thank you. I really appreciate, and I really appreciate it all. I really thanks to all my supporters. I really appreciate you all. May God continue to support each other and bless each other. Yep. The last week has gone, so we got prepare for the next week. So what we have now is just to analyze the market and see what we have for the next week and what the market print out for us. Our top down analysis for the next week. So sorry for that. Let's quickly move into the Forest Factory to see the news. Maybe there is high impact news. This is Monday, which is 21st of November 21st, which is the last week of the November before we enter December. So this is Monday. We do not have high impact news, which is USA. Let's move to Wednesday. This is Tuesday, sorry. This is Tuesday, November 25th. And we have CPI. And if you see this week, sorry, today is Saturday. This week, the drop NFP that's supposed to be dropped on last 2 weeks. You understand? They delay it. The tentatives tell us that it may be cancelled, it may be delayed. You understand? So they delay it, so they redo it again. So the NFP came out last week, and it has the it is the actual is higher than the forecast. Yeah. Let's see today. Let's see. I think Thursday or Friday. Yeah, Thursday. This is Thursday. You can see this is the Thursday, and you can see this the NFP. This is what they drop. So which means US currency has been improving. And seriously, let's see what we have on Wednesday. This is the CPI, and we are supposed to ask PPI also. This is on unemployment claim, and this is it. And you can see we have we have we have some alternative, some are alternative. So this alternative, so they are going to drop, they are going to change it, which because this is the PPI that we have. PPI on Tuesday, and we have some on Wednesday too. Let's see Thursday. We didn't have high partners, and let's see Friday, the last. We didn't have high partners on Friday. Let's just move to let's see what is happening. Let's move to the chart and see what is happening on the chart. This welcome back. Yep. This is it. As usual, I started from what? I started from XAG USD. This is XAG USD. This is our pair. What we have now, what we do on monthly time frame, we just do our key value, our key level, sorry. This is key level where market retest and where market retrace, which means that place is a level. You understand? That's what key level mean. That as there is, it means this is level. It means if market come to that place, it may react. You understand? it may react. So this is, see, this is our key level again, but market has not retested, because if you can see market broken it, if market come into it, it may react. Let's move to where what weekly time frame. What we do weekly time frame also is just the recent key level, and if you can see, this is our recent key level resistance, which markets go down, that make the market go down, that means this key level reacts to it. That's why the market move down. And if you can see, this is where the market move up again, and this is another key level. This is another key level. This is another key level. Yeah, and this is our previous key level. This is our previous key level, which market has been retesting several times before it break up. Then it broke the level to the up, and definitely if the market may come back to it to retest and continue the bullish. And this is our resistance key level, which is the floor, which is the floor one and the ceiling one, and this is the new one. This is our resistance where market the key level where market move down, and this is the another support where the market trying to push up. The reason why I reach as our key level is because of the three candle, 1, 2, 3, and if you can see this one also, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Let's move to daily time frame. Daily time frame is just our recent resistance, our recent swing high and swing low. And if you can see, this is our swing high here. This is our swing low here. This is the swing low that give us this swing high. If you can see, this is the break of structure, and this is the low that gave us this one. And if you can see, this is the what? This is the low that gave us this high. This is the previous one. And if you can see, this is break of structure, and this is the high it gave us. And this is the break of structure, and this is the high it gave us. And definitely, market did not respect this key level, because this key level does not sweep this liquidity, doesn't sweep this liquidity before trying to go up. You understand? That's why, and there is FEG here. If you can see, this is FEG, and this is the demand zone. Yeah, this is the previous demand zone, and this is the demand zone here. And markets will do what? Markets mitigate the what? FEG before what? Trying to push it up. And as market is trying to push it up, we move to what? Since we have drawn our swing low and swing high on daily time frame, the previous one and the recent one and the recent one, you can see this is our previous one, swing low and swing high, and this is our recent one, swing low and swing high. And we move to what? Daily 4 hours time frame. What we do on 4 hour time frame is just too far. It's just what? To just what? To see the trend, to see where the trend is going. That's what we need to do on what? On that, on 4 hours time frame. And if you can see, for my own view, market what mitigated this place, because there is FPG here. But as for my own view, I'm seeing market is going uptrend. The reason why I said market is going uptrend, because there is another FEG here also. There is another FEG here also. If you can see, this is another FEG here also. This is the FEG. And if you can see the market is doing what? It's going uptrend. This is the FEG that puts it down. The reason why I say market is going uptrend, you can see this is what? Break of structure here. Internal break of structure, we have for change of character, and we have what here? We have another break of structure here, internal break of structure here. Market came back to it. Market gave back to the other block and go up. Market came back to this other block and what? Give us uptrend. And market came back to this place. Let's move to 1 hour to see the trend very well. But as for me, this is uptrend, and if you can see, market has mitigated this place. We are just expecting. We don't know what market is doing here seriously, because there's FEG here also, which market has mitigated this FEG. But as for me, I'm seeing uptrend The market is not clear because let's just see, this is the break of, this is the structure, this is the market structure we read before. This is the last break of structure which market mitigated the last break of structure. The reason why I did not come here is, well, this candle has what mitigated this FEG, which means this FEG is not what, it's not valid again. And if you can see, this is the FEG that's valid. This FEG, this is the recent FEG that is valid. Market just move to this FEG, and market came back to it. And if I can see, this is what, this is break of structure, and this serve as liquidity, because you can see this is trend line liquidity to downtrend. This is trend line liquidity. Market mitigated here, but I'm seeing uptrend. I'm still seeing uptrend. Seriously, the reason why I'm seeing uptrend. Let's move to 1 hour. The reason why I'm seeing uptrend because this is what liquidity market is going to sweep before coming down, because this is our supply zone also. This is our supply zone. So since market has mitigated this the imbalance, and this is the FEG, this is the internal break of structure market created. Let's move to 1 hour and see what is happening on 1 hour. This is 1 hour, and if you can see, for me, as I said the other time on 4 hours, this is was trend line liquidity. This is trend line liquidity, which market what? Which market swept? Which market swept? This is trend line liquidity, but there is double top here. Which market is coming to sweep? That's why I said I'm looking for uptrend. Market first respected this place, this liquidity. After this FEG, it swept, it moved it down. So what they just read the internal break of structure. Let's just see the internal break of structure. Let's start from here. Let's start from here. As market move up, market mitigated this. They give us what? Break of structure here. Interchange of character. After market gave us, market came back to this place. Mitigated it. Market came back to here. This is the last break of structure market gave us. And this is the what? This is the other block market gave us. This is the other block market gave us. Seriously, this is the other block market gave us. If you can see, we are in what? We are in downtrend. We are in downtrend from here, but we cannot say what market is doing as for now. Let's move to 15 minutes. Let's see what 15 minutes is doing so that we can take our trade. But I can say we should come here to see what market is doing. But let's just see what market is doing, because this is break of structure for me. This is break of structure for me. And let's just this is break of structure on 15-minute time frame. This is break of structure for me, and this is other block for me. Market may come here and give us the sell, because there is imbalance here. There is imbalance. There is imbalance here. There is imbalance here. So let's see what market is going to do, because but if market take this one out, it has given us another break of structure. Definitely we are continuing the downtrend. But if we take this recent high to up, definitely we are in uptrend. Seriously, because this is the recent high from 1 hour. If it give us this high, definitely we are in uptrend. For 1 hour, it give us change of character, definitely we are in uptrend. But if we see another break of structure here, definitely the downtrend is continued. The downtrend is continued, but I'm expecting a sell from here. because this is liquidity. This is liquidity, which means this is double. This is equal high. This is equal high, which means market is coming here to clear this liquidity and what continue the downtrend. Continue the downtrend. So let's see what market has for us. Is this FEG that market expected? Market expected this FEG. So let's see what market has for us. Market expected this FEG also. So let's see what market has for us. Let's move to XAGUSD. If this is XAUSD, and let's start from monthly as usual. Monthly, you see, this is the key level. This is the high. This is the higher high that market created. And if you can see, we are seeing this November has not closed. You will see with full body candle, definitely the market was what is uptrend, but it will retest. It will retest. But this is our key level. This is our key level here. This is our key level here. Market may respected those key level first before may react, but this is our key level that I'm expecting market to continue to come and buy. Or I'm seeing, and there is still FEG here, and there is still FEG here. This is the low. This is the low. This is the lower high. This is the lower high market may come. This is the lower high market may come before continue the uptrend. But there is key level here. So let's see where they can see reaction from those key level. Let's move to weekly time frame. As usual, this is our recent resistance key level, and this is our support key level, which you can see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So market has not break it. Market has reacted on it, and this is our previous one. You can see this is our previous one. Market reacted on it before what? Before breaking it up. So we are looking for what? Retest before continue the uptrend. Let's move to weekly time frame. What do we see on weekly time frame? These are weekly time frame. These are what? These are swing high. This is the swing low. You can see this break of structure. This is the previous one. You can see break of structure. Market what? Market does not respect it. And this is the what? Resistance. Support. Sorry. The reason why I call this support is because market has respected it what? 2 times. You can see this is the first one. You can see this is the previous what? Break of structure. Market give us another what? Break of structure. This is the market retested this break of this other demand. We continue the uptrend. Market came back to it. You can see 1, 2, 3. After market came back to the market did what? Market swept the liquidity. Market swept the liquidity before continuing the uptrend. Before continuing the uptrend. But this liquidity, I'm still looking up to this liquidity. You understand? I'm still looking up to this liquidity, seriously. And these are what? Our previous swing low. These are previous swing high. These are our recent swing high. These are our recent swing low, and this is recent swing high. Yeah. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what's happened on 4 hours. And on 4 hours, you can see market give us what? Break of structure. After market gave us break of structure, market give us what? Change of character. After market give us change of character, this is what? Supply. The reason why I change this as resistance is because market has mitigated this was second time. Definitely market may break it the third time, or it may react on it. So let's just leave it like this. And the supply is the supply that shows this sell again. Seriously, is the one that shows this sell again. Seriously, is the one that shows that sell again. So let's read the recent market structure now. And since market has mitigated this place, it has given us what? It has given us another what? And this is resistance. This serve as our resistance, and this what? This serve as our support. This serve as our support here. This serve as our support here. Seriously? It serve as our support. Let's move to 1 hour and see the recent structure. And this is 1 hour. As market mitigated this supply zone, It has changed it to resistance, and what did it give us? It gave us what? It gave us downtrend. It gave us downtrend. This is the recent place market we expected. You can see we have break of structure here. Market came to this demand, give us another break of structure. You can see this is another break of structure here. This is another break of structure here. Internal break of structure. And if you can read this candle is what is already mitigated by this week candle, because this is supposed to have everything, but this has already mitigated. And this is the FEG market reacted to. This is the FEG market reacted to on 4 hours. This is the FEG market reacted to on 4 hours. Yeah, this is the last break of structure. You can see this is the last break of structure, and this is the other block market tables. Let's move to 1 hour. Let's see the recent trend. And on 4 hours, you can see, but I'm expecting market to come to this supply again before this us another sell again. I'm expecting, because there is liquidity here, which market is going to sell, and this will sell. So this market is expected this FEG. Let's see the reason why it came back to this zone again, to this trend, that trend again. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour, because on 4 hours, this is the last high. This is the supply zone that give us this break of structure. You can see this is the supply zone that give us this break of structure. That is it. Let's move to 1 hour and see what the 1 hour has for us. This is the internal break of structure on that overall break of structure, and market did what mitigated it, and we are expecting what. Let's see what market is going to do. But as for me, there is FEG here, which I'm expecting market what to respect and move the market up. But if we see another break of structure, this means this high is what is strong to push this break of structure down. But let's see what market has for us. But as for me, I'm seeing FEG here. I'm seeing FEG here. This is FEG for me. This is where I'm expecting the market to give me the sell again. Seriously. Because this, you can see this break of structure, this break of structure. The same liquidity trend we have on what? On gold. This is the liquidity trend we have on with this one again. And this is the FEG market mitigated. Market expected this FEG first. Because this FEG was half what? Change of character. Market expected it. If you can see on 1 hour too, on gold also, this is the FEG market expected. And this FEG is, you can see the market on 1 hour. You can see 30 minutes or 15 minutes saved. I think 15 minutes. You can see on 15 minutes, this way market expected. It showed the liquidity. But where I'm expecting the sell is here on sliver also. I'm expecting the sell here also. I'm expecting the sell here after this here also. But you can say we ought to buy for now. But let's see if market give us another break of structure. Definitely we are continuing the downtrend. Unless we see break of structure to uptrend, because this is the high this is the last high. This is the last high that gave us this lower low. This is the lower high that gave us this lower low. Let's see if we can see that break of structure to uptrend. Definitely market will mitigate it here, and this is our supply zone. I'm expecting market to come because there's FEG, there's liquidity here double top. That is what I have on gold and what? And silver. And on gold and silver. I'm expecting sell from here. I'm expecting on gold also. On gold also, I'm expecting sell from here also. I'm expecting sell from here also. On gold also. This way I'm expecting sell on gold also. I'm expecting sell from here also. But if we see break of structure, definitely market has continued the uptrend. But if you see another break of structure here, definitely we are in downtrend. You see break of structure here, we are in downtrend. We are in downtrend. Let's move to US30. Let's see what US30 has for us. This is US30. I don't know what USDT is doing for me. Oh. Seriously, I do not know what USDT is doing for me. Let's start from monthly time frame. Our monthly time frame, this is our key level here. This is our key level here. This is our resistance. And if you can see, this is our key level here, which market resistance turned towards to support before you can see before breaking it out. And this is our previous what? Previous key level here, previous key level here, which market has mitigated, and previous key level here, which market has mitigated. Let's move to daily time frame and see what we have on daily time frame. This is our recent key level here, which market what give us what really refers to downtrend. You can see the week, which market will give us the what refers to that trend. And this is our previous one. This is our previous one. This is our previous one that market broke on. Market tested it. And this is our floor. This is our key level of support. And what we are expecting market to do is what? Is just to come to that stock to give us another break of structure. Let's see it for daily time frame. This is our what? The swing high. This is the swing low that give us this swing high. And this is what? The last swing high. The last swing low that gave us this what? Swing high. You can see is the one that gave us this swing high. This place is serve as liquidity, which market has what? Has swept. But I'm expecting market. What I'm expecting market, I'm expecting market to give us uptrend because this place is demand zone. If you move to 4 hours time frame, we can see that this is the last break of social market gave us. This is the last break of social market gave us, and this is the what? This is the let's do this one. And the reason why I'm expecting, if you see my previous analysis, I've been saying that I'm expecting market to come down here because this is what liquidity swept. You can see this is liquidity swept, which market swept this liquidity. Market swept this liquidity before going up, and definitely market is coming down to that liquidity. It's coming down to that liquidity. You can see it's coming. I'm expecting market to mitigate this liquidity, this demand zone, before giving us uptrend. And if you can see, we are in downtrend because this is the last break of structure, which market has not broken. Let's move to 1 hour. This is 1 hour. And on 1 hour, we have what? We have FEG. And you can see this FEG is what? This FEG is much. Definitely, this FEG. This FEG is much. This FEG is much. Let's move to 30 minutes. Maybe you can see small FEG, and this is the last FEG. This is the small FEG we see on 30 minutes. Let's see 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, we see FEG on 30 minutes, and on 1 hour, this is the other block. This is the other block on 1 hour. Let's move to 15 minutes. Maybe you can see opportunity. On 30 minutes, what we see on 30 minutes this is the last FEG. On 30 minutes, market reacted to this last FEG. Market gave us what? Break of structure. You can see the break of structure. Market gave us the last break of structure to uptrend. Let's see. This is the break of structure to uptrend. This is the other block. And this is the what? This is the break of structure to uptrend. This is on 30 minutes. Since this is on 30 minutes, and if you can see, the reason why I'm seeing liquidity here, seriously, if you can see, because market has what? I've been retesting that place many times. I'm seeing liquidity here. If you say this is liquidity, market has touched it. This is liquidity for me. As for me, this is liquidity. This is liquidity here. This is liquidity are here. This is liquidity. Let's see what if this other block and all, if market break this other block, definitely market has changed to uptrend. We are in uptrend. Let's see, maybe market break this other block. This other block, market has another. Let's move to 5 minutes and see what the trend is telling us 5 minutes. And if you can see on 5 minutes, we are having break. This is the last break of structure, and this is the other block here. See, then definitely we have some FEG downstairs. So let's see what market is going to do. This is the other block here. That is what, so let's see what market has to do. If we see change of character from here, definitely the market has changed the trend. We are still in uptrend. But as for now, let's see what market. But if we see if we see break of structure to down, definitely we are still in downtrend. But as for me, I'm expecting market to come here because I'm seeing here as liquidity. The market may sweep this liquidity before reach here and continue the uptrend. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for buy. Definitely, I'm looking for buy on US 30. The overall, the higher time frame is telling me buy. But what I'm expecting for is just market to come down here. But we see break of structure here. Definitely, the trend has changed. The trend has changed. We are in uptrend. The trend has changed. We are in uptrend. That's what I'm looking for. So let's move to let's see what we can see. Let's see what we can do on GBP and GBPJPY. GBPJPY. Let's see the stress for monthly time frame as usual. Those are the key level. These are my key level. You can see market has stated it written 1, 2, and 2. This is the key level here. This is the key level here. I'm expecting this is the key level here. For monthly time frame, this is the key level for me. This is the key level, and this is the recent key level. I'm expecting market to come from monthly time frame. This is the previous key level market has mitigated. Let's see, maybe this serve as fake out. This serve as fake out. But let's see what market is doing. Let's see what market is doing. Let's see, but I'm seeing this is uptrend. This is the recent uptrend. This is the last monthly key level I'm expecting because market what retraces from down, retraces there. This is what there is level here. There's key level here, which market will stop will react. And if you can see from weekly time frame, this is our recent key level, which market mitigated at key level. It has not breaking it. You see, market has not broken the key level, and these are previous key level market what just retest before going up. And let's see what market is doing on daily time frame. What we do on daily time frame is just our what recent high and recent low. This is our recent low. This is our recent low. This is our recent high, and we can see this is our recent low. This is our recent low now because it's the one that gave us this break of structure. But the why I have not plotted as recent high is because what market has not given me the third candle. I'm expecting the third candle to give me. I'm expecting the third candle. It may break it or it may. But let's start as high since market has broken it with full body candle. This is our high, and we have plotted that's what that break of structure. This is the low. This is the swing low that gave us this one, and this is the swing low, previous swing low that gave us this one. The reason why I'm expecting market to come here is because liquidity has swept this place. You can see the first candle make liquidity. It swept this liquidity here. This half as liquidity is swept this liquidity here. So I'm expecting market to sweep this liquidity also. I'm expecting market to sweep this liquidity also before what? Going up. So market is in uptrend. We are in uptrend. This is the key level we are expecting market to come. This is the last monthly key level I'm expecting market to come. We are seeing an uptrend. Let's move to daily 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame, and this is our last order block here. This is our last order block here. You can see this is the other block here. Markets expected this order block, and this is the internal break of structure. You can see the internal break of structure. The reason why market expected that order block is because there is FEG there. So market expected the FEG. And if we can read this market, I'm seeing downtrend. Seriously, I'm seeing downtrend. I'm seeing downtrend from here, because this is the last break of structure on 4 hours, and this is the change of character. Internal change of character here, and this is the this is the supply zone. Let's see what it 1 hour time frame, and see what matter. If you can see the 1 hour time frame, this is 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is telling us. What 1 hour time frame is telling us. You can see this is break of structure. This is last break of structure. Market did what? Market gave us change of character. After market gave us change of character, what give us this one another internal break of structure here. Let's see what market is doing. Because market is passing it down. I can say the market expected this FEG, because this is FEG from here. And you can see market has mitigated this FEG. Market has mitigated this because this week can do what? Sweep this liquidity, mitigated this FEG. Let's move to 1 hour. You can see the 1 hour. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. And markets mitigated this FEG. You can see that FEG for 15-minute time frame, it gives us what? Order block on FEG for 4 hours time frame. It gave us what? Order block on what? On 15-minute time frame. That is it. So what we are expecting now is not two. This last break of structure, the market is giving us downtrend. And if you can see, the market is giving us you can see this is the last break of structure here. Give us what? Change of character. Market mitigated this place. It's giving us downtrend. Market is giving us downtrend. Market is giving us downtrend. This is the demand zone. This is the demand zone here. Let's see, because there is FEG here. You can see the FEG, and there is liquidity here also. You can see the liquidity. There's liquidity here also. I'm expecting market to come to this demand. 1 hour. Let's move to 1 hour. I'm expecting market to come to this demand, because there's FEG here. Market has swept this place. So there's FEG here. There's small FEGs here, which has expecting market to come out close. You understand? But there's liquidity here. I'm expecting downtrend. I'm expecting downtrend. I'm expecting downtrend. This is liquidity. There's FEG. There's FEG here. There's FEG here also. There's FEG here also. And on 1 hour, you can see the FEG. This is FEG also. I'm expecting downtrend, and this is FEG also. There are two FEG. So I'm expecting downtrend. So let's see the downtrend. The downtrend on, since we have seen, you can see we have seen change of character here on 1 hour time frame, and this is, and you can see the downtrend. The downtrend is what? It's valid. Let's just see the downtrend is valid. This is the last break of structure here. Let's see, maybe market will break this 4 hours order block. If market break this 4 hours order block, definitely we are in down. The market is in downtrend. Market is in downtrend. Seriously, market is in downtrend. Let's just see. Let's just see what market is doing on GBPJPY. We are in downtrend. Let's see USDJPY. We are also in downtrend. This is my let's see the analysis. You can see the analysis. This is the what? This is the monthly time frame. You can see the support turn to what? Resistance. Move downtrend. Then this is our last resistance market. What? Market reaches down, which means this is key level here. This key level is valid. And if you can see market mitigated this key level, is forced to react. Let's move to weekly time frame to use our what? Our recent key level. This way I'm expecting for weekly time frame, and this way I'm expecting another key level market may react to. Let's see. This is our recent what key level. You can see this is the last break of structure, and this is with the resistance, and this is the low that gave us this. And this, you can see this are serve as key level also, and this place has serve key level also, because market has reacted on it, this key level, and market has reacted on this key level also. And this our last key level resistance. Let's move to daily time frame. Our daily time frame is just our swing high, our swing low. This is our swing high. This is our swing previous one. This is our previous one. This is our previous one, and this is our recent one. Recent low. This is our recent swing low. This is our recent swing low here, and this is our break of structure here. You can see, and this is another break of structure here also. And there is FEG here also. This is another break of structure here. You see, market has not come here to come and close this gap. So I'm expecting market to come here again, because market has served this FEG. There's FEG. The market has served this liquidity here. Market has served this liquidity here. Market has served this liquidity there. Let's see. There is FEG here. There's FEG here, and there's FEG also. The market has mitigated this FEG and give us the uptrend. And this is the what? This is the demand zone here. This is the demand zone here. Let's move to daily 4 hours time frame. Let's see what on 4 hour time frame we are having. What we are having downtrend 4 hours time frame. But see why I'm considering market is coming here. You can see the liquidity has swept here. This is the first candle that liquidity has swept here. This will serve as liquidity for me. Liquidity has swept this place, and this is where I'm expecting market to come and push the up again. This is another demand zone here. If these 4 hours cannot hold this demand zone, definitely you are coming down here. You are coming down here. Let's move to 1 now. Let's move to 1 hour and see this. And you can see this what is valid, because there's FEG what to come and close here. There's FEG to come and close here. There's FEG to come and close here. This one has served as liquidity here. This one has served as liquidity. But let's see if this 4 hours demand zone can hold the market to push the market upward. Definitely we are in uptrend. We are in uptrend though. But if market break this swing low, definitely if market, the reason why we can say we are in that trend, this last swing low and this swing high. If market break this swing low with full body candle, definitely we are in downtrend. Market is coming to mitigate those place, to close this place, before what? Continue the uptrend. So on 4 hours, let's see what we have on 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is what we have on 4 hours. The reason why I cannot choose this again is because the market has mitigated this candle. But let's see this 4 hours. Maybe this 4 hours will hold or it won't. Let's see this 4 hours. It will hold or it won't. And let's move to 1 hour and see this and see the recent structure on 1 hour. You can see this is the recent structure now. This is the what? This is the last. This is the last break of structure, and this is the what? This serves as liquidity for me. No, market has this candle has swept this liquidity. Has swept this candle, this, and market is giving us downtrend. Seriously, the downtrend is market expected this place. Let's see, market expected this other block, but there is still far. Alhamdulillah. Sorry for that, fam. Let's see what market is doing, because this way I'm expecting the demand to push up. Seriously, let's move to 30 minutes and see if you can see the downtrend. You can see market is still in downtrend. Market is still in downtrend. This is the last break of structure from here. This is the break of structure here. You can see market strength this liquidity here. This is the FEG. From 30 minutes, that's the FEG. Market mitigated the SVG because this is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure here. And market mitigated this FEG here. You can see this FEG. Market mitigated this FEG. This is the last break of structure here. This is the FEG here. Sorry for not talking. This is the FEG market mitigated. And if you move to 5 minutes, if you move to 5 minutes, you can see the market. After market mitigated this FEG, it gives us what? Downtrend again. Market mitigated those FEG, give us what? Another trend again. Market mitigated here. So we are in downtrend. The downtrend is valid. Let's wait for market. Let's wait for market here. Network. Yeah, welcome back. Let's wait for the market here before we can take the uptrend. Before you can take the uptrend. Yeah, I'm expecting the uptrend. This way I'm expecting the uptrend. This way I'm expecting the uptrend. I have mistake on this weekly swing and swing low. Okay. These are our previous one. And these are our recent one. So I'm still expecting the continuation for buy. But let's see what market is doing. Let's see what market. I will serve this place as liquidity. This way I'm expecting the buy for. But if this one cannot hold it, definitely the market will. If market break this daily time frame, daily time frame low, swing low, definitely we are in downtrend. And if you can see, this is last break of structure market created, and market give us what? Market expected this place. That's why definitely we are in that trend. And downtrend, this is where I'm expecting markets. Seriously, if you can see the buy from here to come and fill the gap. But we are in uptrend, we are still in uptrend. Let's see what we can see on Euro USD. Monthly time frame, as usual, this monthly time frame, you can see the market is telling us this is the general overview, this is the last break of structure, this is the last break of structure from monthly time frame. And market, what market expected this place? Market swept this liquidity here, expected this demand zone, swept this liquidity, close this FEG. You understand? And continue the option. This is the option we are having. This is the break of structure, and this is the what? This is the last change of character. Market mitigated this FEG. After market mitigated this FEG, we are seeing the what? The uptrend. This is the key level for monthly time frame. Let's move to daily time frame and see the key level. Our market what mitigated this place, and I'm expecting market to come and do. This is the last demand zone. Yeah, which markets are with this last month, so you can see the liquidity market created double bottom, and this is the what? This is the what? Break of structure. This is the break of structure. This is the change of character. Yeah. After the change of character, this is the break. This is the other change of character, other block. Yeah. And what? This is the first key level here. This is the break of structure here. You can see that gave us what? This break of structure, and this is the swing low that gave us this high. This resistance the market has stated several times, and this is the resistance that turned to support. You understand? You understand? You understand? And this is the key level. This is another key level here. This is the key level. This is the main demand zone. This is another demand zone here. This is another demand zone here. Other block here. Let's move to daily time frame and see what daily time frame is telling us. You can see this is the last break of structure to uptrend, and this is the what swing high, and this is what swing low. This place serve as what liquidity. I'm expecting the market. What I'm expecting the market, I'm expecting uptrend. I'm expecting the market to give us what to mitigate this demand zone. To mitigate this demand zone. Seriously, if market can mitigate this demand zone and continue the uptrend, I'll be happy. You can see, because if you read the internal structure, this is the what? This is the swing. This is the lower. This is the lower high. This is the high. This is the lower high, lower low. This is the high. This is the low. This is the high. Market give us high, lower low. Market give us that break this structure. This is the lower what? This is the lower low. This is the high, lower high. This lower low gave us another lower. This lower high gave us another lower low. You see, this is another break of structure. This lower high gave us another lower low here. This is another break of structure here, and this place serve as what? This is our high here. This is our swing high here. This is the lower low area, which means this place serve as what? Liquidity here. If market break this structure, this market break this high with full body candle, definitely we are in uptrend. Market has strength to very. But if market give us what? If this is the break order. If this high give us another break of structure to mitigate this place, and market broken this place, definitely the market has changed to uptrend. But as for now, market is in downtrend. As we are looking at the market now, it's in downtrend. Let's move to daily time frame and see the recent trend. You can see the market is in downtrend. This is our last break of structure to uptrend. Yeah, market mitigated this. Market closes with full body candle. After market closes with full body candle, this is our what? Change of character order block. But market has not mitigated. Market did not mitigated it, but I'm seeing that trend. You can see I'm seeing that trend. I'm seeing that trend. Seriously, I'm seeing that trend. I'm seeing that trend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame, and this is what I'm seeing. You can see what I'm seeing. Market mitigated this FEG. After market mitigated this, this is the break of structure. This is the last break of structure. Market showed this last break of structure mitigated this FEG, which means this FEG what guys is on lower time frame. It is what? It is another key level. It is another structure there. There's another structure there. What do I say? There's another structure there. As you can see, but this is the last break of structure market gave us. This is the last break of structure, and this is the other block, which means the other block have what? The other block has this is the other block. This way I'm expecting the sell seriously. Let's see, maybe we can see we can have the sell here. I'm expecting the sell from here. This way I'm expecting the sell. Seriously, I'm expecting the sell from here. Because this is the last break of structure here. And this place has liquidity for me. That's why I'm expecting the last break of structure sell. Seriously. Let's see. On 1 hour time frame, this is the last. Sorry for that. This is the last candle. You can see the down trend across the what? Let's see GBPY, GBPUSD. Also, they are also in the same trend. Seriously, you can see this is the key level. Or monthly key level. I'm expecting the market to do. You can see market has mitigated this place after a long time. This is the key level I'm expecting the market. And what? On weekly time frame, what we do, this is the last break of structure here. And this is the what? This is the low. Let's go with this last break of structure. Seriously? Seriously, that's it. That is it. That is it. This place has mitigated. This candle has mitigated. This candle has mitigated. We do not have FEG. We do not have FEG. There's no FEG to downtrend, and this is the last key level I'm expecting the market to come. Because market has what? Has tested it. And these are what? These are our recent resistance here, which market has mitigated and pushed the market down. You can see. This is the key level I'm expecting markets. But let's move to 4 hours. 1 hour on. You can see this is the what? This is the swing. This is the one that gave us this break of structure. Market came back to this other block, respected this, but cannot give us another break of structure. You understand? This is not. This one gave us this low, gave us break of structure. It is valid, but it's not valid when this one cannot break it again. This low is a weak low. This is a weak swing low, and you can see this is the way market FEG, the market mitigated, and this is the last FEG here. But this FEG, I'm expecting the market to come. Seriously, this is the way I'm expecting the market to come, because there is FEG there. Let's say extreme demand zone. Seriously, this place liquidity is the market will misread this liquidity. But let's see, if you can see, this is the last break of structure to down, and this is the last break of structure market gave us. And this is the high. Seriously, those places where I just other block. This is the high. If market break this high like this market break this high like this, we are in uptrend. Seriously, because you can see this is what high, lower, low. This is the high, this is the low, this is the lower high, this is the high, the lower high that gave us this lower low, and this is the lower high that gave us this lower low. You can see mitigated this FEG. The reason why it's coming down, I'm expecting market to come down. This is another FEG here. I'm expecting this is another FEG here. Let's see what market is doing on day 4 hours. 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. This is what? This is the OB. This is the last break of structure, internal break of structure, and this is the what? This is the break of structure here. This is the break of structure here, and this is the what? Let's see. This 4 hours market expected this 4 hours give us what? Give us change of character. Market close this FEG here. This is the FEG. Market mitigated this place. Let's see 1 hour. Maybe there is other block there. On 1 hour, market mitigated this place. This way, market mitigated. This way, market mitigated because this is the break of structure. Market mitigated this other block. And what the market doing? Continue give us downtrend. But downtrend what? Cannot break this place. Cannot break this place. This trend has not give us valid one. But I'm expecting let's see market break this. If market can break this low or this overall low, this is another break of structure here. If market can break this low, this is another break of structure here. Seriously, this is another. But market has mitigated this place. It's giving us downtrend. Let's see what market has for us. Let's just see break of structure before we can decide. Seriously, let's move to BTC. Maybe you can see BTC. This is BTC. BTC is in downtrend. Seriously, this is the BTC is in downtrend. This is the last. You see, market has mitigated this key level. This is the last key level, and you can see it's the one that gave us this recent break of structure. There is FEG, small FEG here. This is the key, other key level. This you can see. this is the this is the last. You can see is the one that gave us this break of structure. And market came back to it. Let's see on this is our resistance. This is our resistance here, and this is our support here. But market expected this monthly. Market respected this monthly key level. So what we need now, you can see this key level previous one. Let's move to daily time frame. What we need on daily time frame, you can see market has been showing weak candle, which there is not FEG, but market has closed those liquidity here. On daily time frame, let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what 4 hours is telling us. This is 4 hours. There's no opportunity yet, but this is our supply zone. If market break this supply zone, definitely market is in uptrend. Seriously, we turn to we change we change the trend to uptrend. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, we can see another opportunity on 1 hour. On 1 hour, this is that break of structure. This is the last break of structure on 1 hour. Let's see what market has for us here. This is another break of structure here. Let's see what market has for us. But I'm seeing uptrend. I'm seeing uptrend. Let's see 30 minutes. Let's see 30 minutes. There's FEG here also on 30 minutes. If market break this, if market can break this high, yeah. If market break this high, you can see market mitigated this place and continue the downtrend. So, but I'm seeing let's see markets. The reason the last break of structure here is what? Let's see if the market give us what change of character. Definitely we take the trades here. But we can't say maybe this supply will push it down, or it won't. But let's see what market has for us for here. 15 minutes. if I'm seeing break of structure here, you can see break of structure here. This is break of structure. This is this is what market is doing. This is what market is. So thanks. I really appreciate. Don't forget this. My name is Aboy001 once again. And don't forget to share, subscribe, comment, like, and share. And don't forget to turn on the notification button. Thanks, peace, and love. Have a lovely week and happy, profitable, and successful week ahead. Peace and love. Thanks.